Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our insulated wine tote.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our Neoprene wine tote. This is a two-sided item. It does have a nice stitching along the edges. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using our F570. So I'm just going to trim it up, and we're going to do one side at a time. Okay, we are ready for the first press.
Thank you. Okay, so we are going to be using our standard 16x20 press today. We are using a Teflon sheet down on our bottom platen. The image is face down. We're just going to make sure that we don't have any overlapping on the edges to make sure we get a nice good press. And I'm just going to cover with a piece of silicone on top of the image to protect our top platen. And we are pressing today at 400 degrees for 45 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so now we are ready. This is going to be a hot peel, so we are going to remove all layers immediately. And we do have thermal gloves on hand as well for protection. Just in a nice, smooth, consistent motion to avoid any ghosting. And then we're going to set it to the side to let it cool, and then to the second side.
All right, now that it's cool, we're going to do the same thing on the second side. All right, we are ready for that second press.
Perfect. So we are going to be using the same process. We're going to place our image face down, and then again we're going to cover with a piece of silicone. Pressing at 400 degrees for 45 seconds at that medium pressure. Okay, so again we are ready. This is going to be a hot peel again, so we're going to remove all of our layers and then our transfer from the item in a nice, smooth, consistent motion to avoid any ghosting. And we're just going to let it cool. Okay, so once it has cooled, you are ready to go. You have one personalized wine tote. Anything to add in there, Meredith?
Yeah, if you like our design that we used today, be sure to check out our digital marketplace.
Also, be sure to check out our templates as well as instructions on coastalbusiness.com, and we'll see you next time.